Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy air fryer grilled cheese in just 5 minutes. This recipe is actually featured on my air fryer website, which is called airfryerfanatics.com. You can find that over there along with many other air fryer recipes. So the first thing you will need is 2 slices of bread, a slice of cheese. I used American cheese for this, butter, and then your air fryer, or you can make this in your Ninja Foodi using the air crisp function. First thing you will do is butter the outside of each piece of bread. So as you can see, I totally grabbed the wrong knife just because it was handy. A butter knife works best for this. So go ahead and butter the bread. And then you're going to just put it right on in the air fryer. So I have the butter on the outside of each slice and the cheese right in the middle, just like a normal grilled cheese sandwich. And then I'm going to go ahead and air fry this at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes. If the air fryer was preheated at all, stick closer to 5 minutes and watch it closely since all air fryers tend to heat differently. If you're noticing that you need more of a golden brown color, just spritz the outside of it with a cooking oil spray like coconut or grapeseed. That will make it brown up nicely on the outside. Once that is completed, you will have a perfectly crisp air fryer grilled cheese sandwich. As you can see here, it's nice and crispy and it's very toasted. These come out really toasted, whereas if you do them on the stove top, I think they're a little bit more melted. So in the air fryer, you get them more like a crunchy, crispy, toasted sandwich. So that is your air fryer grilled cheese. You can pair this with a variety of recipes. I'm going to link to the air fryer potato chips, which are really good too. And they go wonderfully with this. You can actually pair those with it and make a great little lunch. You can make more than one at a time too. So if you want to make 2 grilled cheese or 3, you can do however many will fit in your air fryer. So this is how you make an air fryer grilled cheese. Very, very easy to do, but yet a lot of people look for this recipe, so I thought I would just go ahead and throw it up here. You can find this recipe and many more air fryer recipes all over on my airfryerfanatics.com website. Be sure to like and subscribe to this video and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks again for joining in today.